Hey, it's Tim Royster here with the Royster Hearth Group Compass, and I just have a few updates for you. A couple of good things that happened this week, and one thing that is, not as good, but it does impact you as you are considering selling and buying. So let's talk about the good news first. Good news: FHA mortgage insurance has been reduced from 0.85% to 0.55%. What does that mean for you? It means that if you are an FHA borrower, and you should consider it if you're looking at trying to just put low money down, like 3.5% down, that's a considerable savings every year. So for instance, it could be anywhere from $800 to $1,400, $1,500 a year. All right, the second thing to consider going on that's good news right now is the VA funding fee has been lowered also. This works for people that are closing on or after April 7th. So I'm gonna give you a couple of things to think about. First thing is first use VA funding fee. Less than 5% down, it's a 2.15% that is added to your loan. You can roll it in or you can pay it at closing. Or 5% or more, it's 1.5%, and 10% or more, it's 1.25. Of course, there's funding fees for cash out refinances and other types of loans. Please talk to our preferred lenders. Happy to connect you with them, talk about that. All right, the thing that is not the greatest news this week was the PCE. That's your personal consumption expenditures. That came in a little high, all right? And so that's made mortgages look a little not so great today, but it's not terrible. Just want you to be aware of that. Look, we're gonna get news on a daily basis right now that is causing volatility in the stock market, obviously also, and this is reflected in mortgages. Last thing, are there buyers out there? Are there people seeing open houses? Yeah, go to some open houses. You'll see that it's quite busy because the supply is still low. I was just talking to some clients the other day, and we just kept saying that, yeah, the trajectory is that it's going down every year for the inventory in the areas they're looking. But that just means we're gonna be very, very focused on what it is you're willing to pay as far as your budget, and if it's laser focused on the right neighborhood, school district, close to work, commuting, whatever it is. Let's just make sure those are set so that you are very confident when you see the right home that you can make the choice and the decision to move. My team is here, Rebecca, Gary, we're all here to make sure that you are very confident about what's happening in the market. Feel free to reach out. Until next time.